Hey! Di ba alam yung silaw? Hey! Do you hear me? Hi! The internet is very warm.
Warm?
Warm!
Warm.
Oh, mga kalapulod. Hinay.
Napot lang tag-internet tayo.
Ikaw na English day ka. No, we cut off. We cut off.
Hello! Ano sa pangalan niya? Hello, baby! Oh my God!
Gawas ka po ano? Aircon. Hello.
Ako check a bit. Hello, we don't have connection because the neighbor is not paying the bills. We're connecting the neighbor.
Hindi, taka lang. Sorry, we're
Usap mo ng password.
we cut off the internet
Because the neighbor changed their password.
because we are difficult.
Difficult.
Nagkalisod.
Where
you from? Ay, Japanese da. Japan. Ay! Nagoya?
Nagoya.
Pobre.
Nagoya.
Pobre kay tinapare kinakaon. Nagoya. Ha, ay, yeah.
Joker ko.
Hello. Di ha, pawaad. Nado siya why. Where she came from?
Acting.
Osaka. Taga-Osaka, Wing. Osaka, Japan. I know Osaka.
How about Doha, Qatar? Tapos 3 de Mayo na dayo.
I know Osaka. After Osaka is Doha, Japan. Osaka, Japan. Doha, Japan. Just joking. I know Osaka. In the G Mall, Davao, 3rd floor.
Saka ka dito.
Osaka.
Ideology.
I Proctor. Ha?
Optical yun, tanga.
Ay, you're so funny. Oh my God, I'm nose bleeding now. Hey,
Uy, birthday.
who you again?
Acting.
Pamitaw ba?
Ugas na nagtinood.
Maraming acting nga, namugas o tinood. Do you want pussy? Mahurot ko. Bilog box na dami.
Hello.
No, don't say that to me because I'm not UGs. You're so
Ako, B.
Yes.
Hello.
you're so
Can
bastos.
you hear
Oh my
me?
God.
Wait, you want wet pussy?
You want wet wipes?
Wet wives. Wet wives? Yes, I will show you. Just wait for a second. Sumiti ba yun? Manda siya.
You want pussy? Pussy ha? My God, you're insulting our intellectual capacity. You think we are easy to get? No. We don't know you anyway. Kabangit ko din ate.
Ito yung pakita. Wet pussy.
Wet pussy though. Wait.
Hi baby, there's a pussy, but the pussy is
Yes.
struggling.
This is pussy. Ay, no, the one with pussy together.
Yes, there's pussy.
Oh.
Ayaw daw. Wet pussy?
Wet pussy.
No,
Kani
here.
lang. Kani pussy.
Oh.
Kini wet.
Hindi ba yung kumaligo?
Kajit lang yung color sa buhok. Ang kapang kindi.
Bawi ito, nasukan na nabasa ang bangko.